of our cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Guys, I am fine. So today is another review. Today I'm revealing some contact lenses that are from TTDEYE. You guys know I've been working with them and I love my contacts. You guys know that contact lenses, they take you from 0 degree to 100, like I always say. Gorgeous, if it's the first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. You are welcome. All I do here, I review wigs, I review contacts, okay? I review things here, anything reviewable. Most especially wigs and contact lenses. So today's contact, they are from TTDEYE. You see, this is the packaging. This is how it came in this gorgeous pack you're seeing here. TTD, if you have not seen their packaging before, this is how it looks like. So the ones I'll be revealing today, they are in here. So when you open it like this, you have some cards in, okay? There are some cards, and at the back, see what is written at the back of this card. And also there is a mirror that always comes with their contact. If you order from them, this is a mirror, because you need a mirror to be able to, at a close range, for you to be able to install your contact lens correctly. And also there are some cases that came with them, and today I'll be revealing 6. I think there are 6 contact lenses inside here, okay? And they have 6 cases also, because when you order from them, the number of contact lenses you order, that's the number of cases they are going to include on your order. So that is it. I'm going to leave a link to each of the contacts I'm going to try today. So if you're interested in anyone, just click on that link and it will take you directly to their website. Or the ones I'm going to try today, if you don't like anyone, just go to their website and you will see millions and millions of contacts there, okay? You don't need to worry. They have millions of contact lenses. Some of them don't have names, while some have names. About 2 don't have names, okay? Let me see. Yeah. So these 4 have names, came with names, but these 2, there's no names on these 2. So I'm going to check their names and I will include it on the description box or on the screen as you're watching, so that you will see each one. As I'm wearing them, you will see different the name of the style that I am wearing, okay? So I will check also if there's any discount code. You guys know how we'll do it. I'm going to leave it on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out. Go to the description. If there's any discount code, it's going to link down on the description box. All right guys, so let's get into this video. So when you open the contact lenses, let me show you this, how they looks like. They came inside solution. You see a solution in here. They put it inside solution, and inside one pack there is 2, okay, which is one for your left eye and the other one for your right eye. So this is how they look, guys. This is the case. When you open the case, there is storage to store your contact lenses after use. Then there is a clip to remove the contact from the solution, and also there's an applicator, okay? So those are the things that came with it. It's nice that an applicator came with them, because it's not everybody that can use the tip of their finger to apply it. To me, I can use the tip of my fingers. I can also use the applicator. I prefer the applicator because the applicator make it more easier, okay? That is it. So in case if you don't know how to apply contact lenses, it is very, very easy, very, very easy to apply. I have a video that I've done before showing you guys how you can apply your contact lenses. I'm going to link it somewhere here so that you can watch that video in case if you don't know how to apply contact lenses, or if it's your first time. So that video is going to be helpful to you, okay? So guys, I have the contact here. Let me zoom in for you guys to see. Okay, you can see it here. This one is a supernatural. Where is the case? Okay, this style is, see, it's supernatural. So this is the style I'm wearing. You can see my natural eyeball, and you see this, you see the difference. And this one looks so natural. I like that about it. It doesn't feel as if you're wearing contact, which is so gorgeous. So if you like that natural type of contact, that you don't want it to look too how will I put it, notified, you don't want it to be too pronounced, I mean to say, you can go for this one. It looks so natural. See, at a close range, you see it here. See, so this is my natural eyeball, and this is the contact here. See, it's really natural. It's natural. So guys, this is the two on. You can see it looks really natural, and it has a little blue tone on it. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. You can see it, and this is gorgeous. I love it. If you are that natural looking girl, if you like natural things, okay, you go for this one because it looks natural and it has this blue undertone on it. It's lovely. I like this.
So you got in the end. You got in the end.
So guys, this one I'm wearing is Twinkle Brown, which is this Twinkle Brown. So you can see it's on the brownish side, and it's still very soft. Okay, it's not dramatic, and it's lovely. You can see this. Let me go back for you guys to see. This lovely at a close range. You see this? I like this brown color. It's so soft, it's not dramatic, and this is giving me life. It's a vibe for me. It's a vibe for me. It's a vibe for me. This is a vibe for me. You can see it's so gorgeous. I like this one too. See, and the vision is so clear. Okay, just that this side is inching a little, but this one is perfect, but it's clear. Okay, maybe with time it's going to calm down. It's just inching a little bit. So that is it for this one.
Make a
Close range.
and that's where she'll go.
Guys, look at this one. This one is colorful rainbow. See, colorful rainbow. So if you like that brighter, if you like anything brighter contact lenses with so much color, you're going to like this one. See this one, colorful rainbow. You can see, look at it, close range. I love this one too. I'm looking at the mirror. It has blue. It has, is it blue? Let me see. It has green, red, and black. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Blue, red, and black. It's really rainbow. This is rainbow. The last one I tried, my left hand side was inching me, while this one, my right hand side is inching me, but I can see clearly with it. I don't know why it's like that. Okay, but it's not too bad. Okay, it's just little inching. I just prefer to tell you guys about that. Okay, so you see, this is gorgeous. I like it. I like it. It's different from the rest that I have tried that are so neutral, so natural. This one looks a little bit dramatic, colorful. Okay, and it will be good for Halloween. Yeah, I would like this for Halloween. See, ooh.
Is there some place that will make her
So this one is lovely as well.
make her feel better? Then that's where she'll.
Guys, I'm using natural light. Okay, I'm using natural light. So maybe it will be dark. That's why you see the color changes. Sometimes it's bright, sometimes a little bit dark, because it's natural light I'm using.
Be afraid of loving yourself, cause that is all you got.
So guys, look at this one. This one is kind of sky blue. You guys can see sky blue is a crystal ball blue too. So this is it. Crystal ball blue too. So you see it's blue, sky blue. Okay, it's like sky blue. I like this one. I don't know, I just like this one. I like the bluishness. Is there anything like that? The bluishness on this one makes my eyes look more charming and sexy. That's if I say so myself. I like it. I like this one. So this one.
Talking to myself cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired.
So guys, I think that is all. I tried 4. The rest 2, they don't have names, so I did not try them. And also it came with glinters. See, I forgot to mention this to you guys that they added glinters to it. And the rest 2, there's no names. Let me bring them out to see. I'll show you guys. This one is purple. Let me see if you guys can see it through. Okay, this is it. You guys can see it. You can see it's purple undertone. So this one is beautiful as well. But I did not see the style, the name of the style. I'm going to check them, put them on the description like I said. Why this one is black? Ooh, this one will be good for Halloween. See this. This will be good for Halloween. You see this one? So there's 2 inside. Where's the other one? See the 2. How will I place it for you guys to see? Okay. See the 2. You see? This will be good for Halloween. So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the link to each style I wore on the description box, and the rest 2 that I did not try, I will leave the link to them also on the description box. You can wear those ones for Halloween if you are a fan of Halloween. Those ones will be so beautiful. So that is it. Remember, it's from TTDEYE. If there's any discount code, it will be linked down below. Don't forget to check the description box and make use of it. It will help you to get some percentage of your purchase, which we need. Okay, all right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Please God, just before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you like this contact lens review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? And I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. I'm sorry that the video is kind of dark, it's changing colors. That's because I'm using natural lights today. All right guys, bye. Ciao.